this is how the StreamDeck works. And I've noticed I've been using copy and place and reflect quite a bit to do this. And I guess I'll switch to screen recording. Well, no, I'll just post this as is. But custom icons, and then they're fast. So like if I need to offset something or whatever, I mean, just take a look. These are all the shortcuts. There's spaces left where I could put more stuff. There's a whole second page. Just the ones that take 2 or 3 steps, either keyboard shortcut or trying to move your cursor to where you need to click, is done away with. One button. Some of these buttons have 4 or 5 hotkey actions, I guess they would be called. So it just really speeds up things to push one button and done. Kind of like Ronco. Set it and forget it. No, that doesn't work. All right, well, I'll post this, and pretty impressed.